In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make shop page 5 minutes. By the end, you'll have a clean professional page set up in your Shopify admin that you can use to introduce your store, highlight key information, or add helpful resources for your customers. Start by opening Shopify and signing into your store's admin. Once you're in the dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar. Find the section labeled Online Store. This is your main hub for everything that appears on your storefront, from themes to blog posts and pages. Click Online Store to expand its options. Inside Online Store, select Pages. Think of Pages as the place for evergreen content. Things like your About page, FAQs, shipping details, or a welcome shop page that orients new visitors. This area lets you create standalone content that isn't tied to a specific product or collection. Next, click Add Page. This opens the page editor where you'll set up the basics. At the top, you'll see a field for your title. Enter a clear descriptive title that matches the purpose of the page, something like Shop, Our Store, or Welcome. Keep it short and straightforward. This title appears as the main heading on the page and can also influence how the page shows up in search results. Below the title is the content editor. This is where you add the text that brings your page to life. Write a friendly introduction to your shop, describe what you sell, and include any key details customers should know, like what makes your product special or how to get started browsing. You can format text with headings, bold, and list to make it easy to scan. If you add images or a logo, use high quality files and include descriptive alt text to keep things accessible. You can also add links to your featured collections or product categories so visitors can quickly move from this page to your items. Aim for clarity and brevity. About a few short paragraphs is often enough. When you're happy with the content, click Save. This stores your work and creates the page in your store. Saving frequently is a good habit while you're editing, and you can always return to this page later to refine the copy, update images, or adjust formatting. That's it, you've created a shop page. To keep it effective, revisit the content from time to time to ensure it reflects your current products and messaging. Thanks for watching, and great job getting your page set up.